If you're visiting Tokyo, don't miss a chance to take a day trip to Kamakura. It's just an hour away but feels like a completely different world. In this video, I'll show you some of the best things you can do on a day trip to Kamakura. Alright, made it to the first stop before heading to Kamakura. It's the famous train station where they have like a scene of slam dunk or something. I personally don't watch it, so I don't know. But this place is famous for that. A lot of slam dunk fans come here. And even if you're not a fan, this place is breathtaking. Like the station is literally next to the ocean and there are people sailing there. What a life. Made it to the beach. It's actually pretty relaxing here. It's not the best beach, but it's still pretty nice. And if you want a quick escape from Tokyo, I think this is like a perfect escape. It's not too far, and yeah, you can go to the beach in an hour. And I heard there's tons of like good restaurants and also cafe here in this area, and also the street food. Made it to Kamakura. So there is like this one train that takes you everywhere from the slam dunk station to here. It's pretty convenient. It only took like less than 10 minutes as well. Enoshima Island and Kamakura are the famous spot for these snacks, especially from the stands like this. The crackers super thin and crispy, definitely worth to try. choose the one with a potato inside. It is super good.
It's called spoon.
Yeah.
And the right hand.
Yeah.
And I'll share left.
Oh.
And then switch your hand. And then share right hand. And then switch it again. And